Hi, this is Rob Empson. Today we're going to take a look at using ship history to track a shipment for a customer. First, you're going to click on View Data, and then you're going to click on Ship History. This will bring up a grid with all of your shipments in it. As with any grid in OnShip, you can sort the grid simply by clicking on a column heading. You can also search the grid, search for a shipment using a carrier name, a service name, an order number, an invoice number, or a customer name. I'm going to use an order number. We're going to say it's order 200003. You can see that that brings up that shipment. Over here on the right hand side is all of the detailed information, including the tracking number. If you click on the tracking number, that's going to take you directly to the carrier website, which is going to show you the status of that shipment. So very easy if a customer calls in looking for information to track that shipment. Some other things that you can do from this screen: you can reprint the label, and provided that the shipment hasn't been manifested, you can void the shipment. And that's how you would use ship history to help a customer, to void a shipment, or to reprint a label if you needed to. I'm Rob Empson. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again next time.